Hello everyone, today I'll show you glass effect by After Effect. So let's go. So we are going to the new compass file and duration 10 seconds, and we select on picture on timeline. So click the arrow button and then increase scale image and go tracking. So and decrease image file. So it's tracking our timelines, increase to decrease. Okay, so now I'm going adjustment layer and rename glass effect. Then I'm going to effect patterns. So type transform. So double click or drag on adjustment layer and scaling 110 and click the mouse button, and this is our scale size, frame size, and rotate 270. And drag the position, timelines, moving, and go to the 3-second timelines and moving forward. So it's tracking timelines in 2 seconds. So now I'm going to CC light sweep and drag on adjustment layer, glass effect. Okay. Then I am direction on -30 degree. And now hold on Alt key and press double click on center CC light sweeps and see the link and drag on transfer position point. We see the transfer and positions, and now we can see our CC light are following the adjustment layers transfer. Okay, we are done first step. And we press Ctrl D and we are now in duplicate layers and delete our transfer and CC light again, and in the mask turn off the mask layer and go to effect and press fill and select and black color. Now we are going again transform, CC light and drag on adjustment layer and increase width 202 pixel You can choose your own you can modify and your own choice what you want. You can show it. So now I am giving to the 8 and 40 and 20. And directions on minus 90 degree. Now we look see what the change of the classifier. You can see the sharp icons on side. Okay, we are done our second step, and press Ctrl D and copy our layers and CC lights and select both of layers and select class effect 2 and unselect the positions and seconds and then again compose our layer. Now I'll go to select and now we see our effect and double click on compass and press E keyboard. Here see our tracking line and press N. We are taking only our moving timelines and trim our working area, our compass file. So this is our actions and trims our dimensions to select Ctrl D. Okay, now we are an adjustment our class effect. How to is looking good or presentable. Press right button mouse and press time framing. Icons and see the look how easy. So I am changing thank you everyone. If any mistakes of my voice, please suggest me. I will improve my voice. And it's my second video. Thank you so much.